Hi everybody, this is Dietza and
Yonit.
from Atlanta Diamond Design. You might not recognize Yonit because she has one last tooth since yesterday. Show 'em your smile. Yeah, very cute. Congratulations. So we are here to present a few exciting things for the summer. First and foremost, we have a free jewelry pouch with every purchase and repair. Any jewelry purchase. So we have two different styles to pick from. They're both about a $15 value and they're completely free. Okay, go ahead, show them yours.
So, this is like a little pouch where you could put your bangle bracelets in here and maybe like your rings in the little pockets.
Yeah, the whole thing has pockets all the way around.
Yep. And this is how you close it. So, like, you get the two little strings and then you squeeze.
And then you have a beautiful pouch.
Yep.
And you're ready to go.
Oh, it also has a very soft material.
It's like a satin.
Yeah.
So I have this style. This is a jewelry roll where you have it tied and you open it up and it reveals a bunch of zipper compartments, a ring holder with a snap, and you have a bunch of little spots here to do earrings, rings, necklaces, whatever you want. So that is your gift with purchase. We have a lot of them. But when they're gone, they're gone. So while supplies last, all summer long until we're out. So this is the perfect time. If you've been wondering, when should I bring my ring in for repair? This is the perfect time. And also, this is a great time to buy gifts. We know that Father's Day is coming up, so I chose to highlight a few things, men's pieces, that were held over from our liquidation sale. We had a smashing sale, but there's still a few pieces that were left behind, and we wanted to show you a few of the men's pieces. So this we made. It's a sterling silver bracelet with black spinels, which are quite rare and special. This is a very cool guy bracelet with a really cool texture. And we hand fabricated each of these links in our workshop and soldered them together. And that used to be $697 and it's now $349. And we have this koi pond ring that we made in our workshop, and this used to be $247. It's just $129. The koi fish go all the way around. It's a really cool pattern with black and silver. And then finally we have a leaf pattern. This one is just $98. It used to be $197, and the leaf pattern goes all the way around the ring. A really cool dad gift. So check those out. There are a lot of things that were held over from the sale. So come in, grab them while they're here. Terry said she's getting sick of looking at it, so I don't know how long they're gonna be here. And then one more thing before we step into the meat of our video. We are asking for you to nominate us for Best of North Atlanta. We have been voted best for 2 years in a row, and we're going for a third. We really appreciate all your support. It means the world to us. So the nominations can be submitted at bestofnorthatlanta.com, and we will let you know as soon as voting begins to go and vote for us if we get nominated. Okay. So, America is turning 250 years old in just a month. It's kind of a big deal. So exciting. And to celebrate, we are highlighting 250 items that are made in America. 250 jewelry pieces that are manufactured in the United States. So, it is a big deal to support American manufacturing. So we have some really nice items to show. I'm going to start with John Madeire's jewelry. It's made in Rhode Island, and every piece comes with a lifetime guarantee, which is a big deal. I've seen them honor it. It's amazing. Besides the fact that their stuff really does hold up very nicely. So I wanted to show off this set. This is an oh so trendy paperclip chain and link bracelet. And it has an adjustable length on both with these kind of loops at the end that you can clip onto. Same with the chain. So these are $225 for the bracelet and $275 for the necklace. This style is also really popular. There's a matching necklace, earrings, but this, where he made this bangle where the actual element is the clasp, and it has these beautiful white stones. So it's all non-alloy metals, and they're plated with rhodium or yellow gold, or yellow gold. So this bracelet is $220. I also have 2 items from John Medeiros that were also held over from the sale, a sunflower and a sunshine pendant. Grab them while they're still here. What do you have from John Medeiros to show? Hold it up for them.
Oh, it's the rainbow bangle bracelets. So there's a pink one, blue one, green one, and purple one, and dark blue one.
$210 each?
Yep.
Wow, that's a really great deal. And they're really fun to stack. Make a rainbow look on your arm, right?
Yes.
Okay. And you don't have to worry about the size because you could just squeeze them open and shut. Great gift. And all of these come with a free jewelry pouch. Okay, what's next?
So I have this.
Hold it up for them.
Like this ocean color bracelet. It's like a light blue, and it's let's see, $250.
And it actually has a whole set to it. There's a necklace, earrings, matchy. So this is a beautiful, beautiful color stone. Really special, like a teal almost. Okay, another really great line that we carry that is made in America is EL Designs. They also, they're made in New York, that's where their studio is, and they also pride themselves that all of their bench jewelers are women. So I picked to highlight this set. The necklace is all whimsy. A beautiful blue topaz. It's bezel set with just a beautiful, elegant curl sitting around it. This is $510. A bracelet where, again, the element is part of the clasp. I love this. This is $660 with a blue topaz in the middle. And finally, earrings. These earrings are so cool with their 3-dimensional quality. They are a conversation starter. Also in blue topaz, these are $510. What do you have to show from EL Designs?
Okay, so I have mommy and me bracelet. It's like you don't really have to worry about the size that much. You can like.
There's so many. We have every size, right?
Yeah.
We have the adult and we have the little baby.
Yes.
Oh, so cute.
Little baby.
So these have, again, the element is the clasp. Isn't that cool? So these are all like different sizes of bangle bracelets. So you can make a set with you, your granddaughters, your daughters. So these used to be $345 to $385, and now they're on major sale, $110 each. So that's a pretty smashing deal. I think the reason that these are still on sale is because they were in a different shelf that Terry didn't see. And like I said, she's getting sick of the sale. So come in and grab them. Her lack of seeing them is your gain. And one more line. We have these hand engraved bracelets, all cuffs in different sizes, made by John Wade, who is out of North Carolina. So this one says Princess, and this used to be $195. It's now $95. What do you have from John Wade? Hold them up.
So it's like it's like a mommy and me bracelet, but there's like one for like maybe like there's like a baby one, kid size one, like a mommy one and a daddy one.
Aww. So these are engraved with a scroll with a flower in the center, and if you want, we can add gemstones to it for family representation. So cute. So these used to be $165 to $195, and now they're $65 to $95, $100 off each. Oh wow, we showed everything. You did a great job.
Thank you.
So we're going to be celebrating 250 years of America all month long. We're going to feature every single day a handful of pieces on our social media. So follow us on Facebook and Instagram and check it out. And come on in, drop off your repairs, your back to factory specs, whatever it is that you've been wondering about getting done. Summer is a great time to get it done. Don't leave your jewelry at home while you're on vacation. Leave it with us, and it's fully insured, and you'll know that it's safe. And get a free jewelry pouch. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Happy summer.
Happy summer.